Hi guys, welcome to my channel. When you have a simple math problem like this, many people solve it wrongly. Something like 2 plus 2 give us 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Divide. Now, this 8 divide by this 8, which is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, we have to first of all solve for the bracket, then followed by division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So if we follow this rule, this plus this will give us what? 4. Remember there's invisible multiplication here, times 2 divided by what? 8. So now if you look at our order of operation, division comes before multiplication because we are solving from left to right. So 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 will give us what? 4. 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. So our final answer is what? 16.